Water Scarcity and Urbanization Challenges for Cities. Title: Water Scarcity and Urbanization Challenges for Cities. Introduction. Water, an essential natural resource for life, has become an increasingly scarce commodity in the face of rapid urbanization. As cities around the world continue to expand, the demand for water grows exponentially, intensifying the challenges of water scarcity. The urbanization conundrum. However, this rapid urban growth has also placed tremendous stress on already limited water resources. 1. Increased water demand. The rise in population density in urban areas directly correlates with the increased demand for water. Urban residents consume larger quantities of water due to lifestyle changes, higher standards of living, and greater industrial activities. Consequently, water resources that were once sufficient for smaller communities are now strained, unable to meet growing urban demands. 2. Inefficient water management. The management of water resources in urban areas often faces various inefficiencies. Aging infrastructure, leaky pipelines, and inadequate distribution systems contribute to the loss of valuable waste. Additionally, inadequate sewage and wastewater treatment facilities result in the contamination of available water sources, exacerbating the scarcity issue. 2. Impact on urban life. 1. Public health concerns. Water scarcity in urban areas can have severe consequences for public health. Shortages and improper management lead to compromised hygiene, inadequate sanitation, and the spread of waterborne disease. Furthermore, the reliance on unsafe sources, such as polluted ponds or unregulated private water vendors, further exacerbates health risks. 2. Economic implications. Water scarcity poses significant economic challenges for cities. Industries relying on water as a vital input experience reduced productivity and increased operational costs. Agricultural production in urban and peri-urban areas is also affected, leading to increased food prices. Moreover, prolonged water scarcity can decrease property values and discourage investment in affected areas, result in decreased economic growth. 3. Sustainable water management solutions. 1. Water conservation and efficiency. Promoting water conservation practices among urban residents is crucial in reducing overall water demand. 2. Rainwater harvesting. One effective solution is the implementation of rainwater harvesting systems. By collecting and storing rainwater, cities can reduce the burden on traditional water sources. Large-scale rainwater investing in buildings, parks, and public areas can help replenish reserves, mitigating the impact of water scarcity. 3. Wastewater reuse and recycling. Engaging in wastewater treatment and recycling is another vital step towards sustainable water management. Treating wastewater to acceptable standards allows for its safe reuse in non-potable applications such as irrigation, industrial processes, and urban landscaping. Utilizing recycled water reduces the strain on freshwater resources and creates a more circular approach to water usage. 4. Sustainable infrastructure development. Investing in robust infrastructure can play a pivotal role in addressing water scarcity challenges. 4. Effective governance and policy. Creating and enforcing comprehensive water governance policies is crucial in driving sustainable water management practices. Governments must address issues such as water pricing, water allocation mechanisms, and efficient regulatory frameworks to incentivize conservation and responsible water use. Collaboration between governments, urban planners, and stakeholders is key to developing effective strategies and implementing solutions across urban areas. Water scarcity and urbanization pose significant challenges for cities around the world. As urban areas continue to grow, the demand for water intensifies, putting additional strain on already limited water resources. Inefficient water management practices further exacerbate the scarcity issue, contributing to public health concerns, economic implications, and environmental degradation. To assess these challenges, sustainable water management solutions must be implemented. One key solution is water conservation and efficiency. Promoting responsible water consumption practices among urban residents can significantly reduce overall water demand. Another effective solution is the implementation of rainwater harvesting systems. By collecting and storing rainwater, cities can reduce their reliance on traditional water sources. Large-scale rainwater harvesting in buildings, parks, and public areas can help replenish reserves, alleviating the burden on freshwater resources. Engaging in wastewater treatment and recycling is also crucial for sustainable water management. Treating wastewater to acceptable standards allows for its safe reuse in non-potable applications such as irrigation, industrial processes, and urban landscaping. This reduces the strain on freshwater resources and promotes a more circular approach to water usage. Investing in robust water infrastructure plays a pivotal role in addressing water scarcity challenges. Well-designed water supply and distribution systems, along with regular maintenance and timely repairs, can help minimize losses due to leaks and improve overall water management efficiency. Effective governance and policy are crucial components of sustainable water management. Governments must develop and enforce comprehensive water governance policies that address issues such as water pricing, water allocation mechanisms, and efficient regulatory frameworks. Collaboration between governments, urban planners, and stakeholders is essential in developing effective strategies and implementing solutions across urban areas. Water scarcity and urbanization challenges for cities are becoming increasingly apparent as rapid urbanization continues to put pressure on water resources. Urbanization, which involves the mass migration of populations from rural to urban areas, has brought about immense economic and social opportunities. However, the rapid growth of cities has strained already limited water resources, presenting a conundrum. One of the significant challenges posed by urbanization is the increased demand for water. As population density rises in urban areas, the demand for water escalates. Urban residents consume greater quantities of water due to changes in lifestyle, higher living standards, and increased industrial activities. As a result, water resources that were once sufficient for smaller communities are now stretched thin, unable to meet the growing demands of urban areas. Inefficient water management compounds the problem of water scarcity in urban areas. Aging infrastructure, leaky pipelines, and inadequate distribution systems contribute to the loss of valuable water. Furthermore, the lack of proper sewage and wastewater treatment facilities leads to the contamination of available water sources, exacerbating the scarcity issue. Water scarcity in urban areas has far-reaching effects on public health. Insufficient water supply and improper management compromise hygiene and sanitation, leading to the spread of waterborne disease. The reliance on unsafe water sources, such as polluted ponds or unregulated private water vendors, further increases health risks. Moreover, water scarcity poses significant economic challenges for cities. Industries reliant on water experience reduced productivity and increased operational costs. Agricultural production in urban and in peri-urban areas is also affected, resulting in increased food prices. Furthermore, prolonged water scarcity can decrease property values and discourage investment in affected areas, leading to